This is the exact final result, a high-quality, cinematic animated sequence generated entirely through a structured AI workflow. Traditional animation pipelines require specialized teams and months of manual labor. This method uses generative models to produce cinematic character movement in a fraction of that time, without requiring prior artistic experience. These short, highly saturated clips frequently generate millions of views on platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts, providing a direct path to channel monetization and brand deals. We execute this using a 3-tool stack. ChatGPT drafts the script, OpenArt handles all visual and audio generation, and CapCut serves as the final assembly point. Mastering this sequence removes the primary technical barriers to entry. It transforms a single user into a self-contained production unit capable of creating professional short-form content. To begin, we need a script. Effective short-form cartoons rely on a simple formula: a clear hero, a distinct villain, and a straightforward narrative arc. By inputting a basic premise into a structured text template, the AI organizes the story into discrete, numbered scenes that are easy to process in the next steps. This template is designed to generate both the story beats and the specific visual prompts at the same time, ensuring that the narration and the imagery remain aligned. Keep the plot focused on direct physical actions. AI video models currently excel at rendering movements like running or jumping, but they struggle with complex emotional subtext. A highly structured script provides the necessary logic for the generation tools. This prevents the AI from drifting off topic or hallucinating details that don't belong in the scene. Next, we must lock in our characters. This is the solution to the most common issue in AI animation: characters changing their appearance between different scenes. In OpenArt, use the character tool to input the hero's description. Select your favorite version to lock the profile. Repeat this for the villain. You must use the exact same style tag to ensure they belong in the same story. Mismatched style tags will break the visual continuity of your project. By locking these profiles, you create a stable reference library for the AI to use throughout the generation process. Establishing consistent digital actors is the step that separates a random AI experiment from a professional, watchable cartoon. Now we can generate the individual frames. We start by loading our locked hero and villain profiles into a new image workspace. You map the scene prompts from your script to the specific character placeholders, instructing the AI to build the static scenes for your story. Precision matters here. If you accidentally swap the character assignments, the AI will merge their traits and distort the character designs. To ensure the AI follows your instructions exactly, set both prompt adherence and character settings to their highest levels. Strict parameter control and careful placeholder management are the keys to integrating multiple characters into a single, cohesive frame. With our static frames ready, we use the image-to-video tool to add physics and motion to the scenes. This chart compares the available video models. While Google V3 is designed for photorealism, Kling 2.5 is optimized for high color saturation and cartoon physics. Select Kling 2.5 for this workflow. You then upload your static image and the corresponding motion prompt from your script into the model. Set the duration based on the action required. A simple reaction may only need 5 seconds, while a chase scene might require 10. The result is a smooth animated clip, such as this sequence of the fox tumbling clumsily into a bush. The model you select at this stage determines the physical behavior and visual style of your generated scenes. For the final generative step, we create the narration. Select a warm, storytelling voice profile and paste in your full script. Adjust the settings to mimic human speech. Lower the speed to 0.9 and set stability to 0.6. This slower speed creates natural pauses between sentences. These gaps serve as a safety net, allowing you to easily cut and move the audio during the final edit. To finish the project, drop your video clips into CapCut and sync them to the peaks of your audio waveform. Meticulous audio pacing is what binds these individual AI clips into a continuous, engaging narrative. Here is the final sequence: our brave squirrel running quickly across the forest floor, escaping with his magical acorn. We executed every part of this process, from the initial script to the final movement, inside a single, unified AI platform. Once you export your file, you can immediately deploy it across short-form platforms to begin building your audience. By combining structured logic with these specific tools, you can now operate as a self-contained content creator, turning ideas into finished animations.